Hey guys, it's Lil Boss here, and today I'm doing a 100k pack opening, well, 92k pack opening, because basically I opened one pack, I started recording, and then my mum and dad walked into the room, so I had to stop. So, yeah, I got the money from Van Persie in a pack. Recently, I just randomly bought a gold pack, and I got him, so quite lucky. And I'm going to get my friend, as you know, Sergeant Jam123 in the party, so we can hear my reaction if I get someone good. Hopefully I do. There we go. There's no special packs, so we're just going to open the normal ones. I don't really mind, to be honest. So there we got Tim Cahill on the front, and yeah, I'm not going to skip. Come on, please. There's a decent team of the week out at the moment, so come on. Who the hell is that? Yeah, Jamie, I'm recording. Right, so that pack was pretty bollocks.
Oh my god.
That was the first pack, Jamie. And I got the Dortmund away kit. That looks pretty crap, to be honest. Discard. Discard all that. And send it to the club. I got a guy called Lodi, Jamie. He's from Syria. Right. There we go. What are we gonna get?
Oh my god, dude.
Second pack. Who the hell is that? I got Tim Howard. And Paletta. Oh, that sells. That sells. And we got this guy. Recently, the Irish players have gone up in price around about 5k, so that's pretty good. Quick sell that. Put that to the transfer list. Quickie. So that's it. I don't think Jamie can hear me at the moment. I don't know why. Have I muted my mic? Hello, Jamie. I'm recording. I'm in the second pack in, or third, forgot, and we get no one. I got Scott Finnis and some Scottish rare guy. He's got striker Russell, 87 pace.
Is he silver?
Yeah, rare.
He's silver.
Right, nice. Scott Fitness, 1,000 coins, and glove. That sells. Glove chemistry style, that sells. That wasn't that bad of a pack. That's like 4k.
Wait, you know that guy though you got?
Yeah.
Sells. He definitely sells. Hang on.
Nice.
Name's Russell, isn't it?
Yeah.
Russell.
EA, what are you doing? Ooh, I thought my game crashed. What'd you say?
What club does he play for?
Oh, I'm not sure. It's that one, I think it's Derby County.
Oh. Derby.
So, next pack, Falcao. I'm gonna skip it. I wanna get someone good. And we get, what? We get, you know the guy with the weird picture, Damjanovic?
Yeah.
I got him. He's got sniper chemistry style on him.
Oh. Scott.
Hell.
You know Russell?
Yeah.
He sells for... There's one with a 6k bid on it at the minute.
Nice. So that silver guy sells for around about 5-6k, guys. That's pretty good for a silver player.
By now I've seen is 9.5.
That's decent.
Yeah, that is good. Yeah, but 9.5 is the cheapest by now.
9.5k.
Yeah.
9.5. What?
9.5k.
Holy
Yeah.
crap.
You're getting your pack.
9,500 coins. Buy now.
Yeah, 9.5.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Yeah. At least we made profit for one pack.
Yeah.
Oh, sure I would. Let's go, please.
Oh, he is good.
Come on. Inform Chiellini. Oh, we get Adebayor. Thanks,
He has
mate.
good form, so.
Good one.
Right.
Very funny.
Who's the best player for the
That's a very nice kit, but I'm not going to use it.
Oh no, it's that Derby, isn't it? He's a bully. Yeah.
Here we go. Come on. Inform Chiellini or inform Oxlade-Chamberlain. That would be pretty good.
Oh my god.
Skip. And we get no one. Yeah, this is pretty bad. I got Stamford Bridge. But...
Did you? Can I have it? Oh my god, it's a nipple.
Get quicks. Does it sell Stamford Bridge?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put for Star Wars.
Soldado.
There we go. Well, this has been a pretty crap pack opening. Last time we did the 100k pack opening, we got Van Persie. And inform Damia, some crappy left back.
Damia. Yeah.
Hopefully we get an inform. Come on, skip. And we get no one.
You're gonna get Schneider in form.
No, I'm not. That was pretty crap. I got that Korean guy called Sun that Alex had in form.
Well, you know Gufran from Newcastle? Right.
Yeah.
Someone's bid 15k up on him.
He's probably like giving his friend money or something. We're down on the pack, come on. This is my favourite pack. Come on, Vidal. Come on, no skip. Come on, please. Pandev. The Napoli guy.
Pandev. Yes, moi.
Oh well. Got some Turkish manager. You've called Terim. You did. What's that? Position modifier. I got that 3 times in a row. Oh my god.
How much money you got there?
I've got 42k.
Oh wow. The best player. How do you say anybody? I know it's a Derby player. So what's that? I keep forgetting about it.
It's sad to say that the best player I've got is a City player so far. Which is pretty good though.
Okay.
Oh, I got, you know my Inform League One centre back, you know that Perrin guy?
Yeah.
I got his non-rare version. This guy, I've got him in form, guys. I use him in my League One. He's very good, solid defender. And yeah, I still keep him.
Go away.
Oh, I got 2 chemistry styles. I got Gladiator and Glove. I know they're both styles, so I just quick sell the contract. Good one, Scott. Even though I don't need them, I got over 1,000.
How many coins you got left, like?
36k.
36, yeah.
Come on, this is like the worst pack opening ever.
It's quite bad.
Skip.
You'll get some.
Jagielka. Oh, I got David Luiz. Decent.
What?
I got a duplicate David Luiz. Decent.
Oh,
Decent,
there you
mate.
go. That's someone good.
Put him
That's
up.
the best player, and he goes for like 9k. So the silver player's the best still.
Wow. I'll put David Luiz up for like 8,800.
9,200. 8,800.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I got squad fitness as well. Pretty good. That was the best pack for profit. Yeah, David Luiz just sold for 8,800. I got some centre mid from Real Madrid, Jamie. called Ilaramindi.
Is you like the Ilaramindi?
Yeah.
80 rated? Crap.
Does it sell? I'll click them. That was a very good pack. I thought it was shit until I looked at the duplicate. That's the first time I've got David Luiz in a pack.
Is it? He's always a good player.
Come on! Skip. And we get no one. Ooh. I got Scott Fitness and the PSG emblem badge. I got the I think it's Syria, Bochetti, centre back. Next pack, Vidal, come on. Come on. Come on. Show me the money. David Luiz again. Yes.
No way.
Yeah. That's decent. Nice. I'm like Matt HD Gamer, always getting the Chelsea players.
Oh yeah, that's true actually.
I'll put it for 9k.
9k. I just sold myself for 9,500.
No, I don't care. Why would you give me a basic chemistry style? I'm not going to use it.
Yeah, I'll go with that. I know.
Oh, okay.
I've seen a bit.
See you later.
Get a good one. Go on.
Yeah. Now wait, Jamie. Wait.
Yeah.
I just opened the pack.
Hurry up.
I'm gonna skip it. I'm spamming it. Let's go. No. Oh, duplicate of Bonner. Easy. That's fine.
That's right. Yeah, see you in a bit.
Alright, see ya.
Oh, 10 minutes.
Okay, so we're all on our own. Best ones we've got so many Scott Fitnesses, 2 David Luiz's from duplicates. Got some silver guy from Derby County who sells for like 9.5k, which is very good. And who else? Well, we just got a Bonner, so not terrible. From the money from David Luiz is adding on to the pack opening, so not really 100k pack opening. Ooh. I've never seen him before, or him. Got engine chemistry style, I know that sells. That was a strange pack, like 2 rare players and not one of them sell. Or I might use that. I don't have a Syria. I will send that to club. And I'm gonna guess that these guys do not sell. Sorry if this video is a bit long, guys, but to be honest, I love pack openings. I enjoy watching them, especially for the live reactions. They're funny. Come on. Who is that? I'm not going to try and pronounce that. No. I'm not doing it. Kuka. There we go. Kuka. We got Sentinel. That sells. There we go. So I've got 2 packs left, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this pack opening so far. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, hopefully we get someone good. Otherwise I'm gonna rage. Come on. Iniesta! Yes! 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 Yes, boys! Iniesta! Oh! It's done, lads! Iniesta! Ooh! Ooh! Yeah! Ooh! Iniesta. Nice. That is good. Lovely. I like that. I like that a lot. Iniesta, goodbye. Transfer list. Woo! We got 6 players in that pack. Oh my god, that was nice. Iniesta, an 89 rate player, guys. That deserves a like. This has turned out to be a very good pack opening. Very good. Ooh. Nice. That is very good. Never got Iniesta before. Ah, that is amazing. Nice. I'm skipping this again. Well, booting. Thanks. Scott Fitness, Marksman. Marksman doesn't sell, I don't think. Oh, no. Didn't mean to press that. Send it to the club. Oh, that was awesome. Well, I guess that's the end of the pack opening, guys. I hope you loved my reaction for Iniesta and getting 2 David Luiz's and that silver guy, which was quite unexpected to turn out to sell for just under 10k, which is very good for a silver player. So yeah, that's the end, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.